First stock, Kohl's Corporation, ticker, KSS. This stock soared by 38% in one single session, an extremely strong and aggressive move. The rally came after the stock had reached a major bottom near $6, which can be considered a strategic bottom. From that $6 low, the stock has surged by around 250%, and just yesterday alone, it closed up 38%, ending the session at $14.34. If we take a look at the weekly time frame, we'll see that the stock had been under a long-term descending trend line, and yesterday it successfully broke above it, a major technical breakout. Now the stock is approaching a strong resistance zone near $18, which previously acted as major support. Back when the price broke below $18, it collapsed all the way to $6. Now it's coming back up to retest that same $18 zone, which makes it a very strong resistance. So what are the support levels now? The strongest support is at $12, because if you look closely, the last time the stock was around that level, it opened near $12 and crashed hard. That means if the stock pulls back to that area again, it could become a strong re-entry zone. There's also another key support at $13.50, which could offer a shorter-term bounce. So we now have two key supports. $13.50, first buy zone. $12, major support. And the main resistance to watch is still at $18. Second stock, IQVIA Holdings Inc., ticker, IQV. This stock rallied by 18% yesterday, on Tuesday, July 22, 2025, another massive move. And finally, it broke through a major descending resistance line that had been pushing it down for a long time. If you look at the chart, you'll see the resistance line had four clear touches, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4. And now, it has broken through that line cleanly with strong bullish momentum. Previously, the stock had a which got broken, but now it has climbed back above it, turning that level into a strategic support. So now, the two most important support zones are $183 a strong nearby support, $170 a more critical long-term level. Currently, the stock is trading around $187. If you're holding the stock, you should stay in the trade as long as it's above $183. If the stock breaks below $183, it might try to retest $170, and buying near $170 would be a great opportunity. If the price holds above $183, the stock may continue pushing higher, and your next major resistance is at $210. So let's summarize. Current price, $187. Immediate support, $183. Strategic support, $170. Next resistance target, $210. That's the full breakdown of both stocks, KSS and IQV, after their explosive moves on July 22. Good luck, and see you in the next video, God willing.